How did Charles Rainey, an old white man from the state of Georgia, manage to hide in Jamaica, a black majority country, for 11 years? And according to the news reports, he was hiding out in this community in St. James. All this time while being wanted in the US for aggravated child molestation, and sexual battery. So now the police are asking people in the community if anyone have been victims of this man to come forward. Because, of course, a pedophile is a pedophile. And if he is guilty of those acts that he's accused of in the United States, he may very well have committed the same things in Jamaica because, he may have felt that he was safe where he was. Obviously, he lived there for all of 11 years and nobody suspected. This incident jogs my memory to a case about 18 years ago where there was a doctor from the US who moved to Jamaica and set up a medical practice in Westmoreland. He had been practicing for almost 10 years when a newspaper report, a local Jamaican newspaper, uncovered that his medical license had been revoked in the US because he had been accused of some kind of sexual crimes. And I don't remember exactly the details, but I do recall that in the story, the medical council, the Jamaican Medical Council, had said they heard about him and that he was not in fact practicing legally in Jamaica. People had reported before to the medical council that he didn't have a license, and all they did was warn him. And I think that as Jamaicans, we really have to look into how accepting we are of white people and their stories when they move into our communities. We need to be investigating these people. Like, why did you leave the US? Where is your family? How often do you visit your family? Particularly if these are people who move to a country like Jamaica and they don't ever visit. You don't ever see family coming to visit them, or you don't ever hear of them going home to visit. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. And we need to look into why we are accepting white people into our communities without asking these questions.